White here, and in this video we're going to clean the throttle body. So to clean the throttle body, first, Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to want to loosen the hose clamps here, and then work them off. Hopefully you can see a little bit of that. You may have to twist to break them loose. And I recommend pulling it completely out so that you have better access if you can without ruining everything. There we go. There's the throttle body. Mine is actually not very dirty. You're going to also want to squeeze here, pull that out. That way it doesn't have power. And let me give my standard disclaimer. This is what I do, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. You're going to want to use throttle body and air intake cleaner. Make sure that it's the right stuff for your vehicle. Also, don't get this on anything else. Don't get it on your mass airflow sensor. It'll ruin it. Don't get it on plastic. I just have this rag here in the way. It's to catch anything that comes out. And you're just going to spray it in there. Like so. Try not to get it spraying on your camera. Now some people will argue that you should not move the blade, the butterfly here. It is disconnected, so it should not be an issue. But if yours is pretty dirty, spray around. Try to be sure to get on the outside edges. And then with a clean rag, not a paper towel or anything like that, you can push it open just a little bit to get along. See, that's from inside there. And there's a camera in my way. Alright, I'm going to have to open it all the way to get in the bottom here. And just rub it around there. And I did overspray a little. Try to avoid that. Alright, so mine is got, what, 14 or 16,000 miles on it, and I got that much out. In fact, you can see there's some residue that's broken loose. So it had built up. I'm going to hit it with a little more. we go. I recommend letting it sit for a little while before driving, just so that that'll evaporate. And I'll probably clean this up a little more. I'm surprised at how much there actually was, how dirty it actually was around the outside. It didn't look dirty from the front. It's just right around where the blades, the butterfly blade touches the edge. That's where it tends to build up. Cool. Well, let's put it back together. So since you're taking this off anyway, that's a great opportunity to get rid of the noise tube. I think they call it a sound enhancer or something. It's a noise tube, but that's a whole other thing. If you want to know how to do that, check out my video on removing the sound tube. Got that on. Now we just tighten this up. You don't have to strangle it, but you want it decently tight. And I suggest rechecking the tightness after driving it. Once it's had a heat cycle, I then will recheck those. Now that everything is back on, don't forget to plug this back in. There you go. So I know what you were thinking. Did he just ruin it? Well, let's see if it'll start. All right, it started. Yeah, it had a little of that throttle body cleaner still in it, so it took a second to get through it. And fortunately it doesn't have a carburetor, so I can't rev it up from outside. But it sounds good to me. Let me rev it up a minute just so you can see that it works. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.